Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making goat meat fried rice. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. To make this recipe, you need goat meat. I'll go ahead and cut it into bite sizes. Once that is done, I'll place in my pot and season with minced garlic, ginger, seasoning powder, all-purpose seasoning and salt. I will mix well to combine, cover and allow it to cook until soft.
Delicious.
While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my vegetables and set aside for later use. At this time, I check on the goat meat and it's completely cooked. I'm going to scoop it out. Meanwhile, here are my chopped vegetables. To fry the goat meat in a pot, I've added vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add the cooked goat meat and allow it to fry until brown. Stir now and then so that it doesn't burn. Once that is done, I will scoop it out and set aside for later use. To make my rice in a pot, I will add butter and allow it to melt. Next, I will add my minced garlic, chopped onions, curry powder and allow it to fry for 3 seconds. Next, I will add my well-washed rice and toast it for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to add my seasoning powder as well as the goat meat stock. I will give it a good stir, cover with parchment paper and allow it to cook on a medium heat until it dries up. At this time, I check on the rice and it has cooked really well. I will set it aside and fry my veggies. In another pot, I've heated some oil. Next, I will add my chopped onions, pepper, and allow it to fry for 3 seconds. Next, I will add my carrots, peas, bell peppers and sweet corn. I will add all-purpose seasoning and spring onions. I will mix very well and begin to add my cooked rice. I will mix until it's well combined. The last thing to add is the fried goat meat, you guys. The aroma of this fried rice is heavenly. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!